Hello everyone, welcome to Hindi World. I know that when we start learning Hindi, the biggest confusion is figuring out which word is feminine and which word is masculine. In this video, I will do my best to clear up that confusion. Here is a quick tip. If a word ends with the I sound, it usually a feminine word. And guess what? This trick works about 80 to 85% of the time. Here are examples. Chair. Chair means kursi. This word is end with the E sound. That means this word is feminine word. Vehicle. Gaadi. Hindi. Hindi. English. It's called Angrezi. Fish. Machli. Vegetable. Sabji. These all words end with the E sound. Here are more examples. Caste, jati, roti, roti, TV, TV, kurti, it's called kurti, key, chabi, cupboard or almirah, it's called almari. Here are more examples like sari, it's called sari, ring, anguthi, sweet, mithai, inflation, mehengai, power, shakti. So these all words are end with the E sound only. So these all words count as a feminine word. But hold on, there are some exceptions. Don't worry, I am going to walk you through those in this video. Here are some examples. Pearl, moti, water, pani, hockey, it's called hockey, electricity, it's called bijli. These words end with the E sound but count as a masculine words. So these are some exceptions in Hindi language. And if you notice any pattern or have your own trick to spot gender in Hindi, drop them in the comment box. I would love to hear your thoughts. Now I'm going to share some words with you which consider as a feminine word but not end with the E sound. So here are some examples like tea, it's called chai, book, kitab, pencil is pencil, night, raat, hunger, bhook, fire, aag. Decoration, sajawat, sweetness, mithas, air, vayu or hawa, shirt, kameez, vision, nazar, health, तबीयत. Effort, कोशिश, talk, बात, thinking, सोच, race, दौड़. I hope this helped clear up some of that gender confusion in Hindi. If this video is a help to you, even a little, give it a like and thumbs up and share with your friends. I will see you in the next video with more tips to make Hindi super simple. Until then, happy learning. Thank you. Dhanyavad.